Hi, my name is JD and today we're going to be checking out my Splawn Quickrod 100. This is a 2-channel amp. It's got your clean and then you've got your overdrive channel. On the overdrive channel it's got 3 gain settings: first gear, second gear, third gear. They basically just start from a lower gain to all out gain. Today I'm going to be using my LTD MH1000DT Deluxe with the Bill Stay signature pickups. It's tuned to E flat. That's going into the Fire power station, and it's on a Splawn 1x12 with Celestian greenbacks in. So I've got my new microphones. I've got the SE Electronics VR1 ribbon microphone and a Shure SM57. That's mic'd on that speaker, and then after I might check out the Vintage 30s, which is on the other side, and that's got the TLM 102 from Neumann and a Shure SM57. So this is the clean channel. Just your basic clean channel. I've got the bass on about 11 o'clock, treble about 12, volume about 11, and the gain about 11. It's a clean channel, it's nothing special. So now I'm going to move over to the overdrive channel. I'll put it in the first gear. One thing to note with this amp is it's got a lot of bass. So the bass is actually on 9 o'clock at the moment because it's got a lot of bass. So this is the first gear. This is the lowest gain of the lot. I've got the gain on about 2 o'clock. Treble's on about 3 o'clock. There's not a lot of treble in this amp, as you can tell. I'll sweep the treble now, going from 0 to 10. Not a huge amount of drift. Middle's on about 12 o'clock, bass is on 9, and the presence is on about 3. And this is what it sounds like. Right, so now I'm going to add my boost, which is KHD Gold Streamer. I'll put the settings on screen, and this is what that sounds like. Don't know what happened then. Right, next we're going to put it into the second gear, which adds a little bit more gain. Not much, but you can tell the difference. Sounds great, huge low end to it. So now I'm going to put it into the third gear, which is the highest gain. Sounds great, loads of gain, enough gain for me. It is a modded Marshall style amp. I wouldn't say it's the best. Personally, I prefer the Gowers, which are actually modified Marshalls. This is slightly more modern, but I do like it. It's got more than enough gain. The bass has got a lot more low end than the Marshalls, and it just sounds good in a mix. So now we're going to check and see what it sounds like with the vintage 30s compared to the VR1. So as I said, this has got the vintage 30s with the Norman TLM 102 and the Shure SM57 on it. All the settings are exactly the same. This amp sounds great. Quite rare in the UK, you don't see many of them out. That's why I picked this up. Also, Kyle Bull recommended them, and he's not wrong. They are a really good amp. I thought about selling it, but I don't think I'm ever going to sell this one. It just sounds good, and you're probably not going to get anything better, I don't think. I had the Friedman Brown Eye 100, and although that was a great amp, it just wasn't as aggressive for me. And personally, I think if you wanted the modded Marshall tone, I'd probably get this over the Friedman Brown Eye. But that's just my personal opinion. Or get a modded Marshall, get a Gower. Right, so I'm going to check this out now in drop C with my Washburn Solar. Just got the standard Solar pickups in. And this is what it sounds like in drop C. Sounds great. Right, next I'm going to check out the Solar, which is tuned to D standard. And this has got Solar pickups in it again. Let's see what this sounds like. There you go. There you have it. Splawn Quickrod 100. It's a great metal lamp. Highly recommend it if you can get hold of one in the UK. See you on the next one.